Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know, we are studying sets, and in sets Venn diagram. Earlier, we have studied the shading of Venn diagram. Now, we will use Venn diagram to solve problems. This is chapter number 2 of exercise of book D4. Venn diagram, problem solving, and exercise 2A. Its question number 1 is, this is a problem. In a group of 120 people, 80 can play the guitar only and 25 can play the piano only. Find the number of people who can play both instruments if there are 3 people who can play neither. जो कोई भी प्ले नहीं कर सकता. 120 टोटल स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनमें से 80 जो है वो सिर्फ गिटार प्ले कर सकते हैं. 25 कैन प्ले पियानो. हमने ये फाइंड करना है कि वो कितने लोग हैं जो दोनों इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स प्ले कर सकते हैं. तो इसका मतलब दो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है तो दो सेट्स होंगे और एक यूनिवर्सल सेट होगा. So this is the universal set. This circle represent the guitar and this circle represent the piano. It is given that 80 can play guitar only, 25 piano. This is to be determined. ये हमने find out करना है कि ये कितने हैं, दोनों इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो प्ले कर सकते हैं वो कितने लोग हैं. So let's say suppose that this number is x and guitar only, because it is said only guitar. तो only guitar mean this region is represented by 80 and only piano is this 25. अगर वो ये कहता कि 80 प्ले गिटार, तो इसका मतलब 80 में से x हमने पहले लिख दिए हैं, तो बाकी जो है वो यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. तो यहाँ पे फिर हम 80 माइनस x लिखते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे अब उसने कह दिया 80 कैन प्ले गिटार ओनली. सो दिस रीजन वी विल राइट 80. 3 पीपल कैन प्ले नीदर. अब 3 लोग ऐसे हैं जो ना गिटार प्ले कर सकते हैं ना पियानो प्ले कर सकते हैं. तो वो कहाँ पे आएंगे? वो इस रीजन में आएंगे. वो यूनिवर्सल सेट को तो बिलोंग करते हैं ना, तो इस रीजन में हम 3 लिख देंगे. So we are asked to find the value of x, the number of people who can play both guitar and piano. So because total number in the universal set is 120, so we will add up all these. This number plus this number plus this number and plus this number will become 120. Solve this equation to get the value of x. So x is equal to 12. So it means there are 12 people who can play both instruments. So this is the way of solving the problems using Venn diagram. This was question number 1. Question number 2. In a group of 40 community leaders, 35 can speak English and 12 can speak Mandarin, जो भी है ये. तो यहाँ पे भी दो लैंग्वेजेस हैं, एक इंग्लिश है और एक ये मंदारीन है. 40 जो है वो टोटल यूनिवर्सल सेट के मेंबर्स हैं. सो दिस इज अ वेन डायग्राम. 2 लैंग्वेजेस इंग्लिश एंड मैंदारीन. 35 कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. अब देखें यहाँ पे ओनली इंग्लिश नहीं कहा, तो इसका मतलब है ये पूरे 35 है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक सारे 35 और ये सारे जो है वो 12 हैं. हाउ मैनी कैन स्पीक बोथ इंग्लिश एंड मैंदारिन इफ ईच ऑफ देम कैन स्पीक एट लीस्ट वन ऑफ द 2 लैंग्वेजेस. तो इसका मतलब है इनमें से कोई भी ऐसा स्टूडेंट नहीं है जो इन दोनों में से कोई भी लैंग्वेज ना बोल सकता हो. तो ये वाला रीजन हमारा एम्प्टी हो गया. तो दिस रीजन will be represented by x. Now x can speak English and Mandarin. It is said that 35 can speak English. This total 35 can speak English. Out of these 35 we have written x here. So the remaining will be written in this region. What will be the remaining? It will be 35 minus x. Again it is said that 12 can speak this. So this whole circle represent this language, and out of 12 we have written x here. So the remaining will be written in this region. It is 12 minus x. Now because the total number of leaders, community leaders who can speak these two is 40. So we will add up all these to get equal to 40. Solve this equation to get the value of x. This x is cancelled with this x and we are left with 35 plus 12 minus x plus equal to 40. 47 minus x is equal to 40 and x is equal to 47 minus 40 and x is equal to 7. So there are 7 community leaders who can speak both languages. So the value of x is the correct answer. In question number 3 and 4, some informations are given. Number of A union B is 44. Number of A intersection B is 5. Number of A is equal to 20. Find the value of number of B with the help of Venn diagram. So there are two sets A and B. So we will draw a Venn diagram which has two circles. Now A intersection B mean common, this region. A intersection B has 5. So we will write 5 here. And number of A is 20. A is 20. This whole circle is 20. Out of these 20 we have written 5 here. So we will write 15 in this region. And we have said that the total A union B is equal to 44 and we are asked to find the number of elements in B. So this will be x. Suppose the number of elements in B is x. So out of these x we have written 5 here, so the remaining will be in this region. Now total A union B is 44, so we will add up all these numbers 15, 5 and x minus 5 and we will put equal to 44, and solving this equation we will get the required answer which is 29. So there are x is equal to 29. X is equal to 29. So number of B is 29 minus 5 is 24 plus 5 is 29. And fourth, again number of A is 10, number of B is 6, A intersection B is 3. State the value of number of A union B. तो इसको फिल कर लेंगे. हमारे पास दोनों, हमने कहा था कि आउटवर्ड हमने जाना है, पहले ये वाला रीजन फिर हम बाहर जाएंगे. तो A intersection B is 3, A is 10. So A is this circle. Out of these 10 we have written 3 here. So we are left with 7 here. Out of 6, 3 have been written in this region and the remaining will be written here. 3. So what is A union B? A union B, all the elements which are in A or B or both in A and B. So number of A union B is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 13. Question number 6. All the 35 families in an estate possesses either a car or a motorcycle or both. Again there are two sets. One with families who can possess car and motorcycle. So we will draw a Venn diagram having two sets, car and motorcycle, and this is universal set. 18 have cars and 27 have motorcycles. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the data. So we will write x here because it is not given that how many of them can possess car and motorcycle both. So this is x. 18 have cars, so 18 minus x will be written here. 27 have motorcycles, so 27 minus x will be written here. So there are 35 families total. So we will add up all these numbers and we will put equal to 35. Solve this and get the value of x, which is 10. So the answer of part 1 is both cars and motorcycle. Find the number of families with both cars and motorcycles. So there are 10 families who can possess cars and motorcycle, and cars but not motorcycle, cars but not motorcycle is this number. 18 minus x possess cars but not motorcycles. So we will put the value of x here and find the final answer. So 8 families have cars but not motorcycles. In a school, 60% of people have savings account with the POS bank and 72% of them have savings accounts with commercial banks. So again there are two banks, so we will draw two circles. One with POS bank and one is a commercial bank. 60% people have savings account with this bank, 72 have account with commercial banks. Find the percentage of people who have savings accounts in both. This is to be determined, which we do not know. So we will write x here. And 60% possess account in this bank. So out of 60 we have written x percent here. So 60 minus x will be written here. Out of 72%, x percent is written here. So this region is 72 minus x. So we will put the sum of all these equal to 100, because this is a question of percentage. Out of 100, 60%, 72% and x percent. So total is equal to 100. Solving this, we will get the value of x, which is equal to 32. So 32% have accounts in both banks. Now this is question number 8. In this question it is said that in a group of 160 people, 46 people failed mathematics, 52 people failed history and 50 people failed geography. Now look, there are three subjects. So we will draw three overlapping circles like this. Red circle represent mathematics, blue history and green with represent geography. We will start filling this Venn diagram from this region and we will move outward. To start from here we have to read the question backward. 24 failed all three subject. अब यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि 24 स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो सारे सब्जेक्ट में फेल हुए हैं, तो वो ये रीजन है जो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता। अगर ये ना दिया हुआ होता तो इसकी जगह पे हम x लगा देते। Now we will write 24 here. And then 36 failed mathematics and geography. Mathematics and geography is this region. Out of 36 we have already written 24 in this region, so remaining will be written here. And 32 people failed history and geography. History and geography is this region. Out of 33 we have written 24 here, so the remaining will be written here in this region, which is 9. 31 people failed mathematics and history. Mathematics and history, so this region represent mathematics and history, and out of 31 we have written 24 already in this region, so remaining will be written here, and this is equal to 7. Now 52 people failed history, 50 people failed geography. This green circle represent the subject of geography, and out of 50 people we have already written some numbers here, 9, 24 and 12. So we will subtract these numbers from 50 and the remaining will be written here. Now this total becomes 50. 52 people failed history, 52 failed history, this blue circle. So out of 52 we have written these three numbers in this. The remaining will be written here. 46 people failed mathematics. Out of 46 we have written some numbers here and remaining will be written here, this one. And there may be some students who failed none of these three subjects, so we will write x here. You can write x here. We are asked to find the number of people who failed at least one subject. So at least one का मतलब 1 भी हो सकता है, 2 में भी फेल हो सकता है और तीनों में भी वो फेल हो सकते हैं। तो ये टोटल जो नंबर है ये वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कम से कम एक सब्जेक्ट में फेल हुए हैं, तो हम इनको ऐड कर लेंगे। Number of people who failed at least one subject, is the union of all these three. So 3 plus 7 plus 24 plus 12 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5, and this is equal to 72. So these 72 students are the students who failed in at least one subject. Question number 9. 68 elderly men failed a medical test because of defects in at least one of these organs: the heart, the lungs and kidney. So again there are three organs, so we will draw three circles. Heart is represented by red circle, lungs with blue circles, and kidney with green circles. So we will start from here again. You are asked to find who suffered from all the three diseases, because this is to be determined, all the three diseases. So we will write X here. Now move backward. 11 had kidney and heart disease. 11 has kidney and heart disease. So this region represents kidney and heart. So it means out of 11 we have written X there. So remaining will be written here in this region. And this is 11 minus X. 10 had lung and kidney disease. 10 had lung and kidney disease. Lung and kidney disease, this region. 10. Out of 10 we have written X here. So this, in this region we will write 10 minus X. And 7 of them had both lung and heart disease. This region represents lung and heart disease. So we will write 7 minus X in this region. Now moving backward, we know that 30 heart disease, 30 lung disease and 33 kidney disease. Now the only disease is 33 has kidney disease. Kidney disease 33. Out of 33, this green circle represent kidney disease. Out of 33 we have written this number and this number. The remaining has to be written here. So it means 33 minus 11 minus x. जब इसको नेगेटिव करेंगे तो इसके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. 33 minus 11 plus x, then minus x and minus 7 plus x. ये sorry, this one, this number and this, minus 10 plus x. This is equal to 12 plus x. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें. 33 में से ये तीनों को जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आपके पास 12 प्लस x आता है. तो 12 प्लस x हम इस रीजन में लिख देंगे like this. Then 30 lungs diseases. lung ये ब्लू वाला सर्कल है. उन 30 में से ये नंबर्स हम पहले लिख चुके हैं यहाँ पे, तो इनको 30 में से माइनस करके हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे like this. 30 minus 7 प्लस x हो जाएगा, माइनस x माइनस 10 प्लस x हो जाएगा. इसे सिंप्लीफाई करें तो आपके पास 13 प्लस x आएगा. 13 प्लस x जो है वो हम इस वाले रीजन में लिख देंगे like this. Now heart disease. 30 had heart disease. So this whole red circle represent heart disease. Out of these 30 we have written these numbers here. So from 30 we will subtract these numbers. 30 minus 7 plus x minus 11 plus x. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो आपके पास 12 प्लस x आएगा. तो 12 प्लस x जो है वो हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. Now because you are asked to find the number who suffered from all the three diseases. All the three diseases is x. So we need to find the value of x. We will find the value of x by adding all these terms, all these expressions, and we will put this equal to 68, because heart, lungs and kidney diseases, 68 total men failed in medical test. So these are the total numbers, which is equal to 68. When we will solve this equation, we will get the value of x. Now this x is cancelled with this x is cancelled with this x is cancelled with this x, only there will be only one x and some number. 65 plus x is equal to 68 and x is equal to 3. So 3 suffered all 3 diseases, had only lung disease. तो only lung का मतलब है ये वाला नंबर, तो इसमें x की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो आपके पास ओनली लंग्स आ जाएगा. अगर लंग्स की बात करता कि द नंबर ऑफ मैन हु फेल्ड मेडिकल टेस्ट इन ड्यू टू लंग डिजीज, तो फिर लंग डिजीज ये सारा आता, ये नंबर इसमें भी x की वैल्यू, इधर भी x की वैल्यू पुट करके जो आंसर आता है इन सबको ऐड करते हैं. अब यहाँ पे उसने यूज किया ओनली का वर्ड, सो ओनली मीन 13 प्लस x ही है, तो इसका आंसर जो है वो 30 प्लस x में 3 पुट कर देंगे तो आपके पास 16 आ जाएगा. सो द नंबर ऑफ मैन हु फेल्ड ड्यू टू लंग्स डिजीज इज 16. होप दिस इज क्लियर. In question number 10, again there are 3 sets: orange, lemon and grape flavor. O for orange, L for lemon and G for grapes. So we will start filling from here. 15. It is said that 15 liked lemon, orange and grape. All 3 are liked by 15 students. Then 25 liked 40 liked lemon and orange. 40 liked lemon and orange. Lemon and orange are liked by 40 liked lemon and grapes. यहाँ से हम शुरू करेंगे. 40 liked lemon and grape. आउटवर्ड जाना ना, 15 ये सारे हो गए, फिर 40 liked lemon and grape. Lemon and grape is this region. Out of 40 we have written 15 already, so remaining will be written here. Then 45 liked orange and lemon. Orange and lemon is this region. Out of 45 we have written 15 in this region, so the remaining will be written in this region. 30 liked orange and grape. 30 liked orange and grape. Orange and grape is this region. Orange and grape is this region. Out of 30 we have written 15, so remaining will be written here in this region, like this. Then 90 liked lemon, 65 liked grape, 85 liked orange. Orange only वर्ड नहीं यूज किया. टोटल जो 85 है वो ऑरेंज, 65 ग्रेप एंड 90 जो है वो लेमन लाइक करते हैं. तो फिर क्या होगा, लेमन लाइक करने वाले 90 हैं. ये लेमन को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाला ब्लू सर्कल है. इस ब्लू में हमने 30, 15 और 25 पहले से लिख दिए हुए, तो 90 में से इन नंबर्स को माइनस कर देंगे तो आपके पास 20 आता है. तो ओनली लेमन वाले जो है वो 20 रह गए. ठीक है, टोटल लेमन वाले ये 90 है, इनको ऐड करेंगे तो 90. तो ये वाला रीजन जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है वो ओनली लेमन वाले हैं, तो 90 में से इन सब को माइनस कर देंगे तो आपके पास ये आ जाएगा. नो ग्रेप्स, 65 लाइक द ग्रेप्स. ये ग्रीन सर्कल जो है वो ग्रेप्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. तो इस ग्रीन सर्कल में हमने 15, 15 और 25 ऑलरेडी लिख दिए हुए हैं. तो 65 लाइक द ग्रेप. Out of 65 we will subtract 15, 15 and 25 and we get 10. And then orange, 85 liked orange. ये रेड सर्कल ऑरेंज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. 85 में से 30, 15 और 15 पहले से हम लिख चुके हैं यहाँ पे. रिमेनिंग जो है वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. तो 85 minus 30 minus 15 is 25 will be written here. You are asked to find the total number of people interviewed, the number who liked orange alone, number who liked lemon alone, the number who liked grape alone. 25 liked none of three. इसका मतलब है 25 ऐसे भी हैं जो यहाँ पे इस रीजन में आएंगे जो ना लेमन को लाइक करते हैं, ना ऑरेंज को, ना ग्रेप्स को. ये 25 जो है वो यहाँ पे आ गया. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल इंटरव्यू, कितने लोगों को इंटरव्यू किया गया, ये सारे वो लोग हैं यूनिवर्सल सेट के लोग. इन सब नंबर को ऐड करेंगे और इस नंबर को भी ऐड करेंगे, तो ये सारे के सारे लोगों को इंटरव्यू किया गया, जिनमें से ऑरेंज, लेमन और ग्रेप्स को लाइक करने वाले हैं, ऑरेंज लेमन, लेमन ग्रेप्स, ग्रेप्स ऑरेंज को लाइक करने वाले हैं, और तीनों को लाइक करने वाले हैं, और कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो इन तीनों में से किसी को भी लाइक नहीं करते. सो द आंसर ऑफ पार्ट 1 इज we will add up all these numbers, so we get 165. So there are 165 people who were interviewed. For part 2, number who liked orange alone, alone का मतलब है ये वाला, orange alone is 25, lemon alone in third part, lemon alone is 20, and grape alone is 10. This is question number 11. This question again there are 3 subjects, so we will draw 3 circles: mathematics, English and geography. We are asked to find all the 3 subjects, so we will start from here. X, 21 passed English and geography. English and geography 21. Out of 21 we have written X, so we will write 20 minus X here. And 40 passed English and mathematics. English and mathematics is this. Out of 40 we have written X here, so we will write 40 minus X here. Then it is also said that 7 pass mathematics and geography but not English. Mean this region, mathematics and geography but not English. So we will write 7 in this region. It is also said that 8 passed English only. Only English passed 8. 10 passed mathematics and mathematics only. 10 passed mathematics only. We will write 10 here. And we do not know what number passed geography only, so this is also to be determined. Passed geography only, so we write y here. This is unknown and this is unknown. Now to find the value of x, it is given that 54, altogether 54 passed English. So it means these numbers written in this blue circle sum up to give you 54. So sum of all these numbers is 54. From here we can find the value of x. X is equal to 50. So it means the, and what will be y? Past geography. Y is this, because we have found the value of x, so when we will add up all these numbers we will get the value of y. Now y plus 10 plus 25 plus 15 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 will be equal to 80. 80 boys took the GCSE examination. All these numbers add up to give you 80. Why? Because x is 15. 10, 40 minus 15 is 25, then 15, then 7, then 20 minus 15 is 6, and then 8, and all this number add up to give you 80. From here we can find the value of y. So 9 passed geography only, and in second part you will ask to find the number who passed all the 3 subjects which we have already calculated. So we will write 15 passed all 3 subjects. So this is today's lesson. In this lesson we have studied how we will solve a problem by using Venn diagram. Now there is another way of solving the problems by using formula. So that will be studied in the next lesson. So try to understand these questions and solve some questions from the past papers. Allah Hafiz.